So today I received this beautiful box from HOVERAIR, and there's the new Aqua. It's a beta edition, so it's probably not the same as we would expect for the final version, but let's see what inside and how everything looks. And this is also the C0 classification on the box, which is great. On the side there are some of the specs, like the 4K 100 FPS video, flight modes, flight time, and of course the RTK based lighthouse. I can see already a nice carrying bag, the HOVER logo in bright orange, of course. Behind that white zipper is the suction cup to mount it on your board or canoe. Of course there's a shoulder band for the bag. There's a bright orange battery, and because this is supposed to look like the Flamoir combo, it has 2 extra batteries included. Is this the lighthouse? No, it's a battery charger. Seems to be a standing model. We'll find out later. Ah, this is the lighthouse. I'm very curious about this little device. Inside that neoprop bag should be the Aqua. On the back there's the mount for the suction cup. It all looks really strong material. Let's put the box away and let's see inside this neoprop bag. Ah, there it is, the HOVERAIR Aqua flying camera. The material looks great. I've seen the first version in IFA in Berlin, but this looks much better. On the bottom there's a sensor, and let's see. Yes, the C0 classification is on there too. Now let's unpack these little boxes. I will start with the lighthouse. Really curious about that little device. It's really small, so much smaller than I expected, which is good. The rubber ring with the buttons also feels really good. Now let's see how this charger looks. It's a smart design that doesn't take too much space. Great. This battery doesn't feel too heavy. Ah, it's a silicone bag, which seems to be waterproof. There's a double seal, very nice. There is that little suction cup to stick onto your board and to mount to the neoprop case. Just mount it on the back. On the inside there's a screw to fasten the suction cup. The nice thing about this neoprop case is that when you mount it with a suction cup, you can still access the Aqua and its function buttons. You just have to open the flap on the front and then stick it to the Velcro on the back. As you can see, then the display and the buttons are visible, and also the camera is accessible. So my conclusion for now is that all the items in this beta kit look very well built. Of course, you have to go out and test everything, but seems very promising to me. So just keep following this channel for more news about the HOVERAIR Aqua, and see you next time.